Our planet is full of strange places where reality itself feels broken. Roads where cars roll uphill, spots where balance vanishes, and landscapes so surreal they defy logic. These aren't science fiction, they're real locations you can visit. Let's explore the top 10 places on Earth where physics seems to work differently. At number 10, the Mystery Spot in Santa Cruz, California. Since the 1940s, visitors have been baffled by its tilted cabin where balls roll uphill, people lean at impossible angles, and perception itself seems warped. It's an elaborate optical illusion, but the effect is unforgettable. Number 9 takes us to Magnetic Hill in Canada. Park your car in neutral, and it appears to roll uphill. In truth, the surrounding terrain tricks your brain. The road is sloped downhill, but the horizon lines flip your sense of gravity. At number 8, the Oregon Vortex. Here, brooms stand on end, objects roll against gravity, and people seem to shrink or grow depending on where they stand. It's part illusion, part perspective trick, yet it leaves visitors convinced that physics has bent. Number 7, Spook Hill in Florida. Similar to Magnetic Hill, cars seem to move uphill on their own. Local legend blames spirits, but in reality, it's another example of the brain being fooled by tilted surroundings. At number 6, we journey to Mount Roraima, the massive flat-topped mountain on the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, rising like a fortress above the jungle. Its summit is a lost world of strange rock shapes, rare plants, and waterfalls spilling into clouds. The scenery feels alien, like stepping onto another planet. Number 5, Hoover Dam. Drop water from the edge, and instead of falling straight down, it appears to float upward.
Are you ready? Okay.
This bizarre trick comes from the powerful updraft of air generated by the dam structure, giving the illusion that gravity has reversed. At number 4, Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, the world's largest salt flat. After rainfall, it turns into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky so perfectly that standing there feels like walking through the heavens. Perspective dissolves, leaving no clear boundary between Earth and sky. Number 3, the Devil's Kettle in Minnesota. A waterfall pours into a hole, but where the water goes remains partly a mystery. Scientists have studied it for decades, but its path underground is still debated, adding to the sense of impossible physics. At number 2, reverse waterfalls in India. In the Western Ghats, strong winds push streams of water upward instead of down, creating waterfalls that appear to defy gravity entirely. And number 1, the Bermuda Triangle. While many myths exaggerate its mysteries, it remains an area where navigation instruments sometimes malfunction. Compasses spin, and pilots report strange anomalies. Science points to environmental explanations, but the legend of broken physics lives on. These places remind us that perception is fragile. Sometimes it's illusion, sometimes nature. But in every case, they show us that Earth still holds mysteries that bend the rules we take for granted.